Hi, Mirabelle. Mirabelle's playing with her little mobile of animals. You have the giraffe, the lion that makes crunchy sounds, and we have the elephant with a bell. Yeah, so she can bat it around and make noises. Yeah. Pretty neat, huh? Crunch, crunch, crunch. Crunch, crunch, crunch. That's the sound the lion makes when it eats antelopes. Crunch, crunch, crunch. Yum, antelopes. Antelopes are delicious. Good thing that you're not an antelope. Crunch, crunch, crunch. Say hi to your dad, honey. Say hello, Mirabelle. Alright. She's all clean after the big poop explosion. They're all clean. Yeah. She's a happy girl. She's got all these clothes. Look at all this. Scary. Now I need to find a home for all of it. I know. You're gonna be the talk of the town. Your clothes from France. Pretty awesome.